Okay, here's how to make the pixels. I'm going to be showing you with a video. Okay, I'll be fast a bit. So from your ad manager, go to these three lines here, go to pixel. I don't know if you can see this in moments. Let me push this a bit so you can see this very well. Okay, yeah, good. So mine is here already, but that's because I've used it before. But if I'm not, this should be under frequently used. If you've not, sorry, pardon me for my cough. If you've not, just look for it here. Look for it here. Pixels, audience. Okay, pixel. Sorry, is under here. Pixel. So when you click on it, it takes you to the same place. If it's the first time, what you need to do is to scroll down. You see create pixels. Okay, this is your pixel name. You can just call it anything. I'll leave that there, and then I'll go to create. Okay, so my pixel is ready. Alright, now they'll ask you how do you want your pixels to how do you want to store your pixels. Normally it should be manually install the code yourself. Okay, so you click on this and then we'll go grab the code. Okay, yeah, find the head this in your web code, or locate the head template in your CMS. Okay, I'll show you how to find this, and if you want to find out, paste this there. Okay, then copy the entire pixel code and paste it in the website. Okay, sorry, this is actually the one you copy, not this. This is the one you copy. So you just tap here, you copy this here, you paste it in the header. This is where we paste it, head open and head close. So we're gonna paste it here, but hold on, I'll be showing you how to do that right now. Remember, I've copied this already. Then continue. I think you're done here for now. Okay, so let me pull up the web design stuff so I can show you how to do this. No, all these ones are advanced, you don't need them. So I come here. Okay, before I show you how to install that the pixel I copied, this one, onto our website, let me first of all show you something you need, a tool you need to check if a site has a pixel, or to check if a pixel is working right, to know if we have installed it right. Okay, sorry for installing it. So now this is a page, and there's no pixel on this page. That is why the pixel, this is the pixel icon, Facebook pixel helper, is not firing. If it has a pixel, it will show green. Okay, if you visit any site that has a pixel, this is WhatsApp, there's no pixel here. Gmail, there's no pixel here. Facebook, there's no pixel on it. YouTube, there's no pixel. Okay, let me go to AliExpress and show you. Okay, I know the pixel AliExpress. Just watch this now. This Facebook pixel helper. Watch it as the AliExpress loads. You would see if it has a pixel. My connection is crazily slow, so just bear with me. Okay, AliExpress is taking time, and I think it wouldn't show if you're on their home page, but let's see. Let me see if I go here, open this product to see if it is pixeled. Alright. Where are you? Come here. Oh, this site is taking time. Let me go to another one. Okay, I have another site I use that is pixel in here. Okay, this one is opening, yet our pixel is not firing. So it is not pixel. There's no pixel code on the site. That is why the pixel is not firing. Okay, but let me check this site. imgur.com is an image hosting site. Oh, I don't know why it's not firing. Is it because our connection is slow or something? I'm very sure this site has a pixel on it. So okay, good. The AliExpress has fired. Okay, this one too has fired. As you can see, it's now green. Sorry, it's now blue. Okay, it's now blue. That means it contains pixel. It contains the pixel code. Alright, as you can see, pixel ID. Okay, and you too have a pixel ID. So this is your pixel ID here. Sorry, this is my pixel ID. The one I just generated. So anybody who does this has a pixel ID. So that is it. If you click here as well, you see the pixel ID here. Okay. So what else do we do? All right. First thing you need to do is install this. Okay. The name is Facebook Pixel Helper. Just go to Google and type in Facebook Pixel Helper. This should work. I think they have for Mozilla and Chrome, but I'm using Chrome, so I'm going to look for that of Chrome. Alright, this is that of Chrome, and I think it's just Chrome they have. They don't have that on Mozilla. So you click on it, open it, it's a free one. You install it on your Chrome. You install it on your Chrome. I can't install it now because I already have it. So if you go there, you see something like install, and then install it, and boom, you are good to go. Okay, once you have that done, you start seeing this on your browser. Okay, once you have that done, as you can see, added to Chrome already, so there's no way it shows anymore. Added to Chrome already. But if I don't have it here, alright, you see something like add, and then I'll click on it and it will show. Okay, alright, so this is what helps us to know if the pixel is working or if it's showing error or there's a problem with it. Okay, that's one of the reasons you shouldn't tamper with this code at all. Because if I add anything code here, and then when I fire the pixel, fire our website, you see it will show an error, and that's what we want. But if there's no error, you see it showing something like this. Okay. So that done, how do we now install the pixel? Now I've already told you how to edit your HTML websites. All right, how to edit your HTML websites. How do you do that? Yeah, I've actually shown you how to edit your web page, so I'm not going to show you how to edit or whatever. Okay, but here I have a HTML website, which is this, and this is this site. As you can see, it has no pixel right now, but I'm going to be putting in pixel there right now. So how do we do that? Open up your website on the Microsoft front page, like I've shown you before. Remember, they told us we have to install it on the head, in between the two heads, right? So this is our site. So I'll be clicking on click on code, okay, and then look for the head. Want to give head. So look for the head. Where is the head? Okay, this is the head opening. So you can install it anywhere in the help with me. So what I do is just after the head, I put it here, and then I put Ctrl V. Boom. That's all. And then I save. Alright, depending on how you are uploading, if you downloaded your site files, you have to upload and rewrite. Okay, but if you're using FileZilla like I'm using right now, and you click save, it pops out here. You say yes to override it. Once it's finished overriding, then we'll go back and test our site to see if it has pixel. It's not yet. It's still uploading. My connection is a bit slow. Alright, if it finishes, a notification will pop out here, and as you can see, there is no pixel on this side already, but I'm going to be refreshing. Once we are alerted that the upload process is complete or has been completed, as you can see, still trying to connect. The connection is crappy. Okay, once we are alerted that the upload process is complete, then I can refresh this to see if our pixel is actually still working. Okay, if our pixel is done right the way we should. Okay, I'm still trying to do this. Okay, I think it's almost there. Boom. All right, as you can see, transfer finished. So let's go there. So I'm going to be refreshing this right now, and then watch this once it's finished loading. Okay, watch this once it's finished loading. Boom. Can you see that our pixel is showing? It's showing that we have a pixel installed there. No, now it's showing this because there hasn't been any page view. Okay, good, page view. All right, everything is working fine now. So these are pixel ID. Right, these are pixel ID. This one here, this one here. Okay, so what next is not, we're not done yet. We'll still have to go back and tell Facebook, please track this for us, track this particular site. Okay, track this particular site for us, so that we know exactly that that site is what we want. Okay, now you're running your ad. Let's go to ad. Oh, sorry, I would have just gone to, okay, let's go to ad. Oh, sorry, I think that's all you need for now, right? Now the more your pixel is firing, it will start showing actually from when you start having 100 views. That's when the result will start showing there. You still have to go back to your pixel and you see the pixel fires. You see how many persons who have visited your site that the pixel captured. All right, now how do you now use this pixel? How do you now take advantage of this pixel? All right, you can create a retargeting ad. You can create a retargeting ad. Okay, you can create a retargeting ad, custom ad, you know, and target this pixel. All right, and you can create a custom audience, you know, to target these persons who have actually been to this site. Okay, and there are cool stuff you can do with this thing. If you go deeper into the advanced section, you see how to track number of times, the number of minutes they spend on your site, and check that and track them, and maybe resend them another ad. Or you can also track, for example, you have two ads. So let's say you have a thank you page. You can track people who landed on the first page but didn't land on the thank you page. Okay, and then you know that you're sending them a custom message. You can also track people who landed on the thank you page, you know, but did not download did not land on the download page or whatever, and then know that they are yet to maybe take advantage of download it. Then you can target them again and send them a different ad. So that is that is what the pixel do for you. Okay, I think you create custom ad, business manager, audience. Yeah, we'll go to audience too. Let me just show you a bit of what you need to do, you know, to create this custom ad. Okay, the custom ad, that's the custom audience. Okay, my connection is a bit crappy, but then we'll have to push and push. Okay, if I want to target those my pixel, you know, fire to, I could come here and say custom audience. Just watch what I'll do here. Custom audience. Okay, website traffic. Okay, connection is crappy, it's slower than Buhari. Okay, alright, boom, this is my pixel. Okay, I want to track my pixel now, right? I can now see all website visitors in the past 30 days, or in the past, I love leaving it at 180 days. Okay, this, you can also do a lot of other cool stuff with this. Okay, all website visitors, this is the one default, people who visited specific web pages. Boom, this is awesome, right? What it means by all website visitors, for example, my site here is nfsend.com. That means anybody who visits nfsend.com, whatever, it will track them. nfsend.com/go, nfsend.com/get, it will track them, right? But here you're telling them to track. Here you tell them to track people who visit specific web pages. Alright, that means when I click on these people who visit specific web pages, okay, then I might have to put the URL contains, for example, 2.html. Boom. You understand? Okay, so this is how it is done. But if that sounds so complicated, just leave it at all website traffic. Okay, now another one is the visitors by time, right? In the past 180 days, you know, I'm talking about. So, but the most important I use is these visitors here, right? You can do a lot of other cool stuff here. You can name your audience, boom shakalaka, and then you click on the create audience. Now, what this does for you is, as people are visiting that site, it is building up in the custom audience here, which you can in turn run ad to target. Alright, so this is it. It's very simple. Okay, it's very simple. This is it. It's popularity. As people are visiting that site, as people are visiting and hitting on your site, it is capturing them here. Alright, telling you the number of persons who have landed on your site. At the end of the day, you can run ad and target this audience, boom shakalaka, and you will be fine. So that's it about custom audience and pixel. It's simple. It's simple. I'll be adding another video for you so you can watch more. I just video on YouTube, watch more, about the custom audience and how it works. Thank you. Bye.